4 things not to do in the morning to make your day perfect. After a night's sleep, the first thing you need to do is drink in 1 gulp, in large sips, a glass of water at room temperature. And it will be better if you add a few drops of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to the water. This will start the processes of digestion and awakening of the whole organism. And the first thing you should not do is drink water without cleaning your teeth and tongue. Since a lot of bacteria accumulate in the mouth, drinking a glass of water immediately flushes these bacteria straight into the stomach. The second absolutely wrong action is as soon as you woke up drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee increases the acidity of the stomach, irritates the mucous membranes and can lead to the formation of gastritis or ulcers. Therefore, do not irritate your stomach with a cup of coffee, but drink a glass of slightly acidified cool water. This will reduce the formation of acid in the stomach and increase the blood supply. The third wrong action is to do push-ups every morning. Push-ups are also an excellent exercise for strengthening the pectoral muscles, and even to awaken the whole body. However, by doing push-ups every day, you shorten the pectoral muscle and you create bad posture for yourself, because it is the pectoral muscle that wraps the shoulder forward and you get bad posture. It is best to perform a set of exercises for the back muscles in the morning. This can be an imitation of pull-ups while lying on your stomach. Strengthening the extensor muscles of the spine, back of the shoulder. This will rotate your shoulder back and improve your posture. If you do push-ups, then be sure to do some exercises on the back muscles so that your back is even. And the fourth wrong action, immediately after waking up, while your body has not yet woken up, go for a run. So you use a very intense type of load. Running is an impactful exercise with a high heart rate and additional stress on the spine and joints. The most correct start of the day is gymnastic exercises to increase the flexibility and elasticity of the whole body. This will allow you to wake up properly and tune in to productive day. Don't make these mistakes in the morning and your day will be perfect. Dr. Fentist was with you. Be healthy and have a nice day.